So I'm maintaining a good speed. Gravity is pulling me backwards a little bit, so I have to give the car a little bit of gas. I'm right at the speed limit, taking my time, having good speed control. I'm really trying to look up the hill to anticipate what's going on down the hill. So I'm looking and I'm maintaining great speed control. I see another warning sign, and we have a really sharp drop-off. So I really want you to watch this and know how to navigate through this. So I'm right at the safe speed limit. I'm controlling my vehicle by lifting my foot and going down really slow and controlling it. And the Chevron alignment signs tell us you really need to see this huge drop off. This is incredible. So I'm maintaining speed. It's really easy to go over speed. So you want to be smooth, you want to take your time. And if you look up this hill, it's incredible. So you want to control your speed. You want to be aware of what's going on and continue to look ahead. So I'm maintaining good speed control. I'm looking ahead, watching for cars, being mindful of deer and people who are not really paying attention. I'm looking ahead, having a nice smooth drive, going up the hill, and just taking my time. If you find this of value, which I hope you do, I need you to subscribe to my channel, Driving with Miles. I teach teens and adults, and I hope you give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much. I do appreciate you.